Welcome to this Jet Worldwide presentation, Shipping to Canada from Chile. This presentation explains the fundamentals of international shipping from Chile. If you're involved or want to get involved with international shipping, you should become familiar with these basic concepts. To assist in navigating this video, each subject is presented section by section, from the data necessary for customs declarations, free trade, and non-resident imports, to best shipping modes and parcel carrier options. An accompanying PDF with additional details and helpful links is available on our website or in the description below. Let's get started. First up, HS codes. Canada and Chile have online resources to assist with HS codes. While each adheres to the World Customs Organization or WCO standards, HS classifications are unique to each country. For help with translating your product description to an HS code, visit our HS code blog, which includes an in-depth video presentation. For assistance with finding a Canadian HS code, you can go directly to the Canadian Customs Tariff. Alternatively, a great resource to consider is the online tool from the Canada Export Development Corporation. Declared value. In the majority of cases, the correct value to declare at export and import is the transaction value. The transaction value is simply the price paid or payable for the goods. Canadian Customs, CBSA, considers the value for duty to be the cost of goods plus shipping and insurance, known as the CIF value, cost, insurance, freight. Best to specify these three costs on your invoice. If the transaction price is inclusive of shipping and insurance, you should include the term CIF value. In some cases, there is no direct transaction, such as sending samples, warranty parts, or transfer between related entities. Visit our blog on valuation for additional information. Country of origin. Just as shipping from Chile to Canada is not the same as shipping Chilean origin goods. Chilean origin goods are those that meet the rules of origin defined within the Free Trade Agreement, which we'll cover later. All shipments from Chile are subject to standard import processing. The default most favored nation duty rate will apply, unless the goods qualify as originating. And there are restrictions on specific categories, including such things as food, drugs, and alcohol. Resulting duty assessment. In most cases, import duty is determined by three main factors: tariff classifications or HS code, country of origin, and value. The tariff classification and country of origin determine the percentage to apply to the value for duty. Note that all imports, even if imported duty-free, are subject to Canadian federal and provincial taxes. Visit our blog outlining other common Canadian import fees. Export Declaration from Chile. All cargo exported from Chile must clear customs. Restricted goods and those over $1,000 US require an export declaration. Note that the HS classification for export may be different from the Canadian classification. Canadian-Chilean Free Trade Agreements. Canada and Chile benefit from two trade agreements. Both countries are members of the Comprehensive and Progressive Trans-Pacific Partnership Free Trade Agreement, CPTPP. They also share a bilateral free trade agreement, the Canada-Chile Free Trade Agreement, or CCFTA. The key advantage of both agreements for shipping merchandise or goods is that most Chilean origin goods import duty-free to Canada and vice versa. Both agreements remain in force and coexist. Importers can claim the agreement that applies more favorably to their shipment, but must choose only one. So while it can be confusing to have two trade agreements, it's basically a pretty good deal. You get to choose between the better of two trade agreements. Non-resident importer program to Canada. The NRI program allows Chilean businesses to get a Canadian business number. You can essentially act as your own distributor across Canada and North America. The requirements include record keeping and posting of a surety bond. Note that the valuation rules may differ for non-resident imports. Imagine sending your Chilean origin goods in bulk to Jet Worldwide via low-cost ocean, clearing the goods as a non-resident importer, and having your order shipped on demand across Canada from Canada. Moreover, these same goods can ship from Canada to the USA direct via low-cost ground, taking advantage of the $800 duty-free threshold to the USA. That's the type of opportunity you have with Jet Worldwide. Shipping options: Chile to Canada and North America, returns and reverse logistics. The international parcel shipping options from Chile include the obvious choices of name brand couriers: FedEx, UPS, DHL, and the local post. In general, Carrillo's local post options are best for individuals shipping personal packages. Contact our team for details on shipping commercial packages and cargo. The best way or mode of shipping depends primarily on the size and weight of your consignment. The necessary time frame is also a factor, but cost usually wins out over a faster transit. Air cargo offers a lower price for smaller shipments. For shipping several pallets, lesser container load sea freight can be preferable. These are some of the factors our team considers to help build the best options. Jet Worldwide provides Canadian and North American logistics support. This can include receiving returns, including Amazon removal orders, benefit from forwarding across North America and globally. Basically, if you ever ask the question, wouldn't it be great if we had a local partner in Canada and North America? Well, now you have the answer. Jet Worldwide. Consult with Jet's best-in-class logistics team for rates and project support.